Hello everyone, hope you all are well. In this video I'll be making peanut butter soup and OMOTUO rice ball, and I had to make jollof rice with meat for sister Amina and other members of the family, but things changed, so I decided not to make the jollof at all and just fry my meat. Okay, so hope you enjoy. Give me a thumbs up if you love it. So guys, I have garlic there, ginger and onions. Okay, guys, I forgot to put this on camera, so I blended ginger, garlic and onion and added it to the meat. Okay, I want to leave it overnight so that it marinates very well, and Tatiana, if in the next morning when I fry it, you just be loving the taste. Okay. So guys, good morning. This is the next day and I'm cooking the meat now. Okay. So guys, now I am going to cook the peanuts mixed with the tomatoes so that my soup will be faster. Okay, it cooks, it makes your soup, what can I say? Okay. So guys, bechim kakra. Okay. So guys, I'll add this small water. Okay, and then come on. Salam and I will stir before putting it on fire. Mix everything together before putting it on the fire. Kopi jaro. Wakati nasema ndio akakadruba. So guys, my meat is ready now. I can turn off the fire. So guys, as you can see now, oil is coming on top, and that means it's cooking raw. I prepare this before I start everything. So guys, now me konyane no kra alapa order. So guys, look at the oil on top. You do go man see I know where we ala da was one sorry. Timi yes was sorry and e good do. So guys, meat is ready. It's here. So guys, we are going to cut small onion on it to steam the peanut butter soup meat. Okay. Okay. I have ginger, garlic, onion, ginger and garlic. I'm going to blend it and put it in. They say Mr. Mimi na home for minkwine. So guys, I use the same pot and I pour the meat aside. And I'm not in one. Adding some cube in it. So guys, I had this pepper over there. That's why I didn't add pepper when I blended the onion and the ginger and garlic. Okay, so I'm going to add it. No. So guys, I'm going to add small salt. Me, I don't like salt too. It's okay. We can cover it, then shake a crack. So now I'm going to fry my cooked meat for our jollof. Hey, allow me to one more. So guys, I am going to put my water on the fire for the OMOTUO Riceball. And I put the rice in, it will cook faster. Our meat is still on. You stir. Bring, come on. Okay. So now I'll add small. I just want to add it. Okay. So I'll add this. Okay. In it. So guys, we are going to add amaninsuwa in it. Okay? So what? It's hard, so I need to put it in the beginning of the soup, okay, so that ginger and the garlic can enter inside, okay. So guys, now I am going to add some blended tomatoes. Because I already used tomato in the peanut, I'm not going to use too much tomatoes. Okay. Then I will stir. I decide to add water in this one, then put it in the meat, okay? Or just pour everything inside. So I'm going to add water in it. Then I'll stir. Guys, now it's okay. I'm going to add it here. So guys, I'll leave it in for some time. I say a chim kakra. It cooks very fast, okay? Okay. So guys, our water is ready. Some people add salt in their in their rice ball. Others too don't add, but I like to add small amount of salt in it, okay, like cooking rice, small in it. That's another rod, okay. So guys, now I am going to wash my rice. In Ghana they need to wash rice, so yeah, no, yes, we are not more good. There you go. Now let's add it here. Our water is too much, so let's have it. So now I can add some water in it. So guys, you're ready. This is so. May come to me refill me try. So manage salami. So guys, this is our meat, my salad meat. This one is something that I'll be using a crabby. Guys, it tastes so good. Misala na mimi. Got the most soon. Sankwai, come see Sankwai. Baba Mando.
When did you get somewhere? It's a conto watch. My camera don't feel one of those years.
What's that one in
I like me. I mean, so. Now, what do you need? Me and I'm super video now. Ready? I know what you transfer.